So I've heard, $1 billion market thrown around. Can you talk about that?
Sure. I mean, I would say that there isn't some steadfast number where we say, oh, gee, your company has to be able to get to $1 billion to be interesting. On the other hand, it's a great rule of thumb because it basically says, gee, there has to be a market for what you're doing where hundreds of millions of dollars are ultimately spent. And when you think about the market for possible companies, like what those companies are building and what they're selling, that limits the potential number of venture capital-backed companies pretty dramatically, right? There are lots of really great businesses that will make people plenty of money, will be good businesses that make sense to start, that could not come close to making many hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue. So I think the $1 billion is more a sort of way of saying, look, this has to truly be large, and large in economic sense. And so $1 billion companies, we like those, but we really prefer $100 billion companies.